the battle of the Roombas.
So this is the battle of the cheap robot vacuums.
Yeah.
We have the robot vacuum from Five Below on the left. It was $25. And we have the robot vacuum from Amazon, the Sweepin robot on the right. It was $16. So we're gonna spread some nerds around today, and we're gonna see which one can pick up more. All right, you ready, Wyatt?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. So we've never tried nerds before, and we don't even know if they'll pick them up at all, but let's see how it goes.
I'm gonna spread a lot around.
Yeah, let's make a mess.
This is gonna be the hugest thing.
There you go, just dump it out. So that is a lot of nerds. Oh my gosh. All right, there you go. All right, here we go. What's going on with our sweeping robot?
I don't know.
Can you give it a little push?
Stand there.
Why don't you try moving it somewhere else, Vi?
Okay. Not really picking up.
There you go.
Let me fix the box.
There you go.
Get it, sir?
Well, I guess it's worth it to spend the extra $9, right?
Yeah.
The Five Below is definitely winning.
And Sweepin Welcome's doing nothing.
I know. Not sure what's going on over there. Wyatt, why don't you see if it's clogged?
This one's not.
Ooh.
It's not. That the hole is very tiny.
Yeah.
Come on. Five Below, the steering wheel is covered in nerds.
Why don't you see how much is in the bin?
Okay. And it's still nothing.
Yep.
So many had picked up.
What do you see? Wow. Where'd they all go?
I think they crushed them.
Are there any in there?
I see some, but they're all crushed. It's giving me a hard time. Maybe they're just crushed. I will definitely winning. Now this week, Rolla is very much.
Well, I don't know that it's actually picking anything up or it's just sweeping it out of the way.
No, it's just crushing it. When it swallows, it's crushing
It
it.
crushes the nerds?
Yeah. Because when it swallows, it's very crush it, so it's crush. Doing really good.
All right, well, there you have it. If you're gonna buy a cheap robot vacuum, go ahead and spend the $9 extra on the one from Five Below, but if you want a good robot vacuum, spend the extra money
Yeah.
and get a high quality one, right, Wyatt?
Yeah.
Yeah. Neither one of them did very well.
Yeah. My phone's not doing really good.
No, neither one of them. Good job, buddy.